how to create a group in Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to create a group on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app. Then once you're here, you need to go to the message section. You can see it on the top right corner. You need to create a message by tapping the pencil icon on the top right corner. To create a group message, you need to choose your members. Example, I'ma choose the Cardi B, Ariana Grande, and Kendall Jenner. And then on the top, it said name your group. You can name this into whatever you want. Example, I'ma type Superstar. Once you have your group name, you can click the create group chat. And then there you go, you have now your own group. You can message them if you want. And guys, remember, you can add a member that doesn't follow you. Keep that in mind. So yes, that's how you can create a group on Instagram. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.